Another channel. Another Fox channel.
But the cat loves it. Oh, yeah. Everything can get shot. Or a little laser burn.
Now you see that right there?
Oh, okay.
It's sound right there, right? Lou Dobbs don't have no sound on Fox HD. Alright.
Very clear why we need Medicare for all and why he's going to take on
That has sound.
And what about any candidates you didn't?
CNN has
I
sound.
don't care how old you are. I care about your vision.
Fox News Channel 31 don't have no sound. So they targeting just my TV. How can they just target one person's TV? That's deep. Because I know that other people will probably getting the sound bites.
The vacation rental, which led to the discovery.
Forensic Files 32, 31. You see how the sound was coming in, but then it just automatically stopped. Now, I'm going to tell you what cable company we have. We have, what's the name of this? Spectrum. Spectrum Cable. So Spectrum Cable is doing operations. They doing government operations on individual citizens. That's crazy. You see that, right?
Get exceptional offer.
Lou Dobbs. The sound came in for a second, then it went back out. Now, how they doing that? They must be targeting my cable box. That's crazy. This is what I'm going through. This is how they try to block you out. Alright, later.